After the player escapes his defenders, he runs to greet his next defender by translating.
The player glides 100 units directly east on the x-axis for 0.5 seconds. The tackler continues at a specified angle, and as he moves, he continues changing his size by 1%, gaining at the end point 5% growth, and he has dilated from his center point to the other point perfectly so that he goes from 20% to 25% as he moves along, showing the lines of dilation. The player jumps over the tackler using rotation to evade him. To create a rotation, I used an operational blocks to keep the player at a specific distance to and or from the center point, in this case the first tackler. As the player moves along the 1/40th of the circumference of the circle and ends up at the end very near to 180 degrees rotation around the tackler. After the player rotates around the tackler, he turns to the tacklers, he realizes two people are running after him and reflects over himself to run in the other direction. We use the point and direction block to make him change exactly the right amount in the reflection. He is able to escape his defenders using reflection and translation.
Once the player loses his defenders, he runs to the next one. He jukes around him using translation. Once he gets around him, he runs as fast as he can to get to the end zone. He notices the ref is throwing a flag on the play. The player has made it this far and is not willing to stop now. The player lowers his shoulder and chucks the referee, making him fall to the ground. The player then runs into the end zone, scoring a touchdown and winning the game.